everyone, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I have something pretty different. I am going to be doing a Shop Miss A makeup haul. So if you don't know what this site is, they mostly have makeup. They do have some accessories, home decor, office stuff, some nail supplies as well, but it is mostly makeup. So I do have mostly makeup in this haul. And almost everything is $1 on this site, which is amazing. There are some things that are like $1.50, $2, $3, but most of the stuff is $1. They even have some stuff that's under $1. So that's really cool. Everything's cruelty-free and vegan as well. So let's just get straight into this haul. I'm super excited to show you everything I got. I have actually tried a lot of these products already, so I can also kind of do a short little review on some of these products. And don't worry if you do usually watch my nail videos, I am still going to continue making nail videos. I just wanted to expand my niche a little bit and try out some other beauty related videos. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's start with a lip gloss. So I have this LA Colors Palette Lip Gloss. It's kind of like a dark burgundy. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it, and I will put the name of the shade at the bottom of the screen. So hopefully you guys can see this. There is the shade. I'm not really doing anything in any particular order, so let's just move on. I got this pore filling primer. I've been using it almost every day. It works really well. It is a matte primer, so it does give a matte finish. Doesn't really make your face shiny or anything like that. It doesn't feel like heavy on your skin or anything. It's super light. Doesn't really feel like anything's there, so I really like this. I would definitely get it again. Next, I have a 2-in-1 blush. So it comes with a cream blush and a powder blush. I will go ahead and swatch these for you. I have already tried this one as well. It's definitely really pigmented, and I do really like the colors. I do actually have this cream blush on right now, but you probably can't really tell because I don't really put that much blush on, but it is a really pretty color. So there is the powder and the cream. Let's see, next we have a eyeshadow palette. I have not tried this eyeshadow palette yet, but I did swatch them just because I was really excited to see all the colors. I will go ahead and swatch these and show you all the colors, but here's what the palette looks like. It does come with 9 colors, and there's a lot of different color options, so if you don't like these exact colors, then yeah, there are some others. But it is a super cute palette, lots of fun colors here. Next, I have some lipstick. Originally, I thought it would be kind of too dark for me, but I ended up kind of like spreading it out with my finger on my lips, and then that worked a lot better just to like lighten it up and not make it as pigmented and dark. So this is what the stick looks like. I will go ahead and swatch it on my wrist. So that is the lipstick right there. It's a super pretty fall color. It goes on really smoothly. None of the lipsticks I got from Shop Miss A are really like dehydrating, even like the matte ones. So I really like that because I feel like a lot of matte lipsticks kind of dehydrate my lips, but these are really good. They go on like butter. Let's see, what else do we have? So I got this clear mascara slash brow gel for any time I just want like a super natural look. So I have used this once. It did work pretty well. I've never really used like a clear mascara before, so I don't really have anything to compare it to, but it did work pretty well. I also used it on my brows. It worked great. So yeah, the only thing I don't like is the brush. It's just like a standard, you know, like one of those standard mascara brushes. I don't really like those brushes, but other than that, this is a pretty good clear mascara or brow gel. I like that it's a 2-in-1, so you don't have to get a brow gel and a clear mascara. So I did also pick up some backup sunglasses because I occasionally lose mine and I can't find them for like a few days or a week, so I needed a backup pair. They're not my absolute favorite. I feel like they're a little bit big and chunky for my taste, but I still like them. I really like the turtle print, and I would definitely use them as a backup pair. So next time I lose my sunglasses, at least I have these. They're pretty comfortable and I feel like they're pretty sturdy. I don't think they're going to break anytime soon. So next we have, let's see, I got 2 face masks. So one of them is green tea facial mask. This one contains vitamin E and C, and it's supposed to soothe your skin and moisturize your skin. So this is a sheet mask. And then I also got the watermelon sheet mask because I love the smell of watermelon. So I had to try this one out as well. Let's see what we have next. Okay, so I did get 2 different concealers. This is one of them, and I do actually have a combination of both of the concealers I'm showing in this haul on right now. So I do have this concealer on along with the other one. I kind of mixed it together. But yeah, it does go on pretty well. And yeah, I would definitely continue using it. I don't know if I would purchase it again. I probably will continue to try other brands of concealer and everything like that. But it's definitely a pretty good concealer, I would say, so I would recommend this still. Next, we have a buttercream eyeshadow. So this is like a creamy eyeshadow. I don't think I would purchase this one again, just because it was a little hard to blend out, and it was also kind of hard to remove as well. But it's an okay cream eyeshadow. I would definitely say it's okay. I will still continue to use it, but I don't think I would purchase it again. So I did just get like a regular silver, and I think it also said you can use it as a liquid eyeliner. So I haven't tried that yet because I don't really know how to do eyeliner. But yeah. Okay, I have something for my nail girlies, and I'm actually wearing the nail polish right now. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I really love it so much. I mainly got it for my toes because I usually do like gel on my fingers, but I decided to put it on for the video, just so you guys can see it on some actual nails. But this is what the bottle looks like. There are some other colors as well. It's like a nice little shimmery, super light pink, pearly color. So I'll just open it up so you also can see like the brush and everything. So yeah, that's the nail polish, and I like it a lot better than LA Colors nail polish. That's the other brand of nail polish they have on the Shop Miss A site. So I like it a lot better than that one. I do not like the LA Colors nail polish at all. Sorry, LA Colors. I like your lip gloss though, but nail polish, I'm sorry, it's just not good. But the, yeah, this one is really good. AOA, which is the, I think it's the Shop Miss A brand. So they make that nail polish. Next, I have another blush. This one is like really, really pigmented. Like a little bit goes a long way. It is in a glass container also, which I really like. It's got like a red. Once again, I will put the name of the shade like somewhere down here. So that's what the color looks like. I will go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So here is the swatch. You'll definitely have to blend it out a lot because it is super pigmented and bright. But I have used this a couple times and it works really well. It does blend out really nicely. Next, we have the Holy Green Water Hydrating Serum. This works really well. I have used it twice so far. I can definitely tell that my face is more hydrated after I use it. So I like to just kind of dab it on my face a little bit and then put on moisturizer, and yeah, it does work really well. I would kind of wish it was like in a bottle or something. I know it would probably be more expensive if it was in a bottle, but that would be nice if it was in a bottle. But other than that, I do really like it and I would recommend it. Next, I have a creamy eyeshadow, and I was a little confused at first because just looking at it, it does look like a powder. But once you like touch it, it's definitely like a creamy eyeshadow, and oh my gosh, I love this product so much. Like, I have it on right now actually, so you guys can see. I'm definitely 100% getting it in some other colors, but it's a really nice light pink. I think this might be one of my favorite products I got in this haul. So I'm just gonna swatch it as well on my arm for you guys. But it's so smooth. I just love the feeling of it. It blends out so nicely. So you can like build it up, or you can just have like a little bit of a shimmer. So there it is on my arm. So 100% would recommend. If you like creamy eyeshadow, you absolutely have to try this. So that's just what the container looks like. All right, next I have some lipsticks for you guys. These are little mini lipsticks, and I am wearing this one right here, the second to last one right now, so you guys can see that. But I will go ahead and swatch all of them. I don't think I'm actually going to film me swatching them, but I will kind of cut to a little swatch video here. So basically they come out like this, and then the lid to the second one is like this lipstick, so you just take it out like that, if that makes sense. But yeah, I really do like these little mini lipsticks, and I like all of these shades. I tried all of them on. I like all of them on my lips, so I am definitely going to use all of these. This is the nude shade. This is like the nude collection, but they do also have like a red collection, which I am going to get next time I order from Shop Miss A. Next, I have this face mask. I have not tried this yet. This is a gel face mask. So I have yet to see if it's good or not. I'm just trying to open this so I can show you guys. I think it's orange scented. So this is what it looks like. You do get a pretty good amount for the price. So yeah, it is a gel face mask. Oh no, it's not orange scented. It just had oranges on the package, so I thought it might be orange scented, but it's not. It does still smell alright though. So that is the gel face mask. You're just supposed to put it on for like 15 minutes, and I guess it's supposed to just like hydrate and just glow up your skin. So I'm super excited to try that out. Next, I have this headband. So I'm still not sure about this headband. I'm not sure if I want to wear it or not. I don't have any other headbands, so I kind of got it just to try out a headband, just to try something new. So I'll try it on for you guys. I think it's super cute, but I just don't know if I would wear it. But I can always give it away. It was only like $1, I think, like most of the stuff in this haul. I do really like the color and the plaid pattern. The bow is cute. So I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm not sure if it's looking good or not. But yeah, that is the headband. They do have, I think, one other color. I think it might be pink. So yeah, I'm still deciding if I like it or not. So I do have this other concealer I was talking about earlier, and this is a stick concealer. I've never tried this form of concealer before, but I do really like it. It goes on really smoothly, and I feel like it's kind of hydrating as well. So this is what it looks like. I will definitely continue to use this, and I would recommend it. It's super handy. It's really easy to blend out also. Moving on, we have another eyeshadow palette, and look how cute this is. It has like a little dog with a bow on it. So I have not tried this eyeshadow palette yet. I'm honestly more of like a liquid eyeshadow and cream eyeshadow girly, but I do occasionally like using just regular powder eyeshadow. But here are the colors. I will also show you the swatches of these. They do have other colors in this palette as well. Okay, so I was talking about how I love liquid eyeshadow. So I did pick up one liquid eyeshadow, and at first I didn't really like it because there's kind of like some chunky bits of glitter in there. But after I was done with my makeup, I actually ended up really liking it. So I would definitely buy more shades in these. I would get this shade again. I'm just swatching it. Here's what the brush looks like. And here is the swatch. Let's see, what else do we have? Two more items. So this is a AHA 7% toning solution. I have used this once. It's for exfoliating and brightening the skin, and it works really well. 100% recommend. And I did see in the reviews that some people with like sensitive skin tried it out and they were a little nervous to try it, since like toning solution can be a little bit harsh, but a lot of the people in the comments that had sensitive skin did say that it wasn't too harsh on their skin, so that's really nice. And I did absolutely tell a difference just after using it once. I guess you're supposed to just use it like once a week and then transition to like twice a week and then 3 times a week. So I'll probably end up just doing it like twice a week until it runs out, and then I will probably get it again because I do really like it. Okay, I'm kind of sad this is the last item. I was having so much fun filming this haul. But don't worry, I do have my cart full on Shop Miss A website, ready to order more and film another haul. So I will definitely be doing another haul in the future from Shop Miss A. So this last item is a lipstick, and I really like this shade. Again, it's moisturizing. It doesn't dehydrate my lips. So there is that swatch. I absolutely love this shade, but I would definitely try it out in some other shades as well. And here's what the container looks like, just in case you were wondering. So that is the end of the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will continue to make nail videos, but I also want to make some more makeup related videos, maybe like morning night routine, outfit videos. I'm super excited for like fall outfits. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!